What's up, everybody? This your boy again, Young D, back at you with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today again, we're going to be working on the E36. I had just purchased this radio from Amazon. We're going to be installing the Android Auto, Apple Carplay. Let me show you this radio that we got going on when I first bought this joint. It's a little single DIN, you know, something slight. This mug still get the job done, wham bam. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with it. But like I said, we're gonna be adding Android Auto, Apple CarPlay to the mix. So got this Hikity, ordered it from Amazon. It's a 6.9-inch display. Now, most of the videos that I've seen on YouTube, the E36 owners are installing that CP71 power acoustic radio from Walmart and everything. It's a 6.5-inch display. Now, there's nothing wrong with that radio or anything from the reviews that I've seen, you know, but like I said, there are so many E36 owners already purchasing that radio. You know what I'm saying? I went with a little bit slight bigger 6.9-inch display, you know, so link in the video description and everything if you guys want to check this radio out. But let's go ahead and get to it. I'll show you guys once we get this thing wired up and ready to go. Okay, now we in the garage. Like I said, it's the old radio right here. Now, I'm not a big fan of using this electrical tape. So, as you already see, we got these connectors. Y'all done seen me wire up stuff a few times already. But just in case y'all didn't, you can go back and watch the other videos that I got on the channel. Like I said, we got some E36 content. Now be the time to please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content over here. Like I said, I'm trying to get the algorithms up for you guys. Got plenty more content coming for you. Tell me what you guys got working on over there. Drop a comment, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what type of vehicles you guys drive or whatever. Type of projects y'all got going on around the house. Yeah, I mean, I appreciate the tape that y'all use, but man, this just makes it harder. So, like I said, this stuff is pretty much self-explanatory. You just match up all the colors. Alright, so now this is what the wiring harness is going to look like if you guys were to order it. This is the part that we all been waiting for right here. Let me show y'all what we got going on. So, here's the backup camera it came with. Here's the controller for the steering wheel. You got the wiring harness for it. Comes with a remote. Got the microphone. Yeah, microphone. And then last but not least, the radio. Now, all in all, bro, Y'all won't believe this radio only costs like $55. Android Auto, Apple Carplay, single den. I can't wait to see how this mug looks. Here's the back. Alright, my people. Like I said, everything is color coded. Pretty self-explanatory. Now, with the E36, if you have the Harman Kardon system, with this plug, you do want to make sure that you do have power going to the antenna/amp. If not, you will not have sound coming out. Trust me, how I know. Alright, my people, just like that. I don't think I'm gonna use any tape or anything, but like I said, everything is color for color. And then these are extra wires that we're not going to be using. I need to connect this one inside the car so we can get the signal to the amp in the back. All this other stuff, we're pretty much not going to be using. Backup camera, this remote, when I got a remote right here. And then the E36 is so small, I don't even need to hook up this microphone. There's already a microphone that comes right there on it. So let's get this installed for you and hooked up. I'll show you the end result over here, y'all.